Hello guys. Well, I think you already watched the other video, which is the retro machine. Now we're gonna talk about the Contempo machine. Contempo, you have automatic and semi-automatic. It's important to see this video as well because these kind of machines come with a pump. Okay, so have to understand how this works. Normally in the diagram you see on internet, in the brochure, Fracino brochure, you will see this one. So to understand it now, I'm gonna try to explain. So any question, please feel free to comment on the video. It's not my native language, English, so I'm gonna try to do my best. If I don't explain well, you just let me know. I'm gonna try to answer. Okay. Well, what I can show here. The machine, the Contempo one, this one is semi-one. It's just a button which is turned on to work to bring the water, hot water for the group, and off. Okay, so you just measure the time, depend your recipe, all this stuff. The automatic one has the panel with the control. So this one you set up by seconds if you want. But all this system is gonna tell to this pump to work. Okay. So understanding this one is the dual fuel one. This is the gas. Okay, so you open the gas, you just open and then ignition, and this one is gonna make on and you see here the little hole, you see when the flame is on. Okay, in case you have electricity, you just change for the system and you just go electricity one. So all these elements is something you don't see it. Normally you see just a machine. And the guys, they have generator or whatever, but that one work with gas. So the machines come with this hose. This one you just connect to the simple regulator for the gas. This one you can buy in any store. They selling tools. It's like to connect gas for a barbecue. It's the same. So you just connect, put this on the gas, and this one under the table. So the little box is coming with this kind of machine. Contempo line is bringing this motor. So to understanding this one, this box bringing the two hoses, which one is connecting to the flow jet, the other one is connecting to the machines, and the electrical cables you will see is different size. So the bigger one, I mean more thick. This one is electricity. So you just put the plug in and you're gonna connect with the inverter. I will explain that one. And the other is a little bit more tiny. It's 1.5 maybe the thickness of this. This one is gonna be connected with the pump, because this is how the machine is gonna say on to the pump, which is connected to the electricity, is gonna work. Okay, so this is why this machine is coming with these two cables. In the same box that already come in these two hoses, is coming this another hose. This one is an extra one, but just put this one to give you an idea, because here is a hole. So you just connect this one and have the stuff. You just put this one and you connect. It's gonna be, imagine it's gonna be under. This one, of course, under the table, and this is the waste water. Okay, so gas, the waste water, cable for electricity, cable for connect to the pump. Now understanding this. This one is the deep cycle battery, 100 amp. So this one, what is the idea, or I mean, how this works? When it's deep cycle, it's very good because it's constantly work very constantly. So for charging or for even using, it's very constant. So it's very good. So in this one, you just connect your inverter, because DC battery going to AC electricity, which is alternative current. So and then you connect to the battery, negative, the power. So you turn on your inverter at 1000 watts. So and in that case, what I did is I connect an extension. So my extension, because I have two plug-in here. So one of these is my extension. I'm gonna connect my flow jet, this one, which is sending me water, and then I can connect the cable from this pump to here, and also this one is my grinder, so I'm gonna be connected here. So I have already in this extension, I have my pump, I have my flow jet, I have my grinder, and I use the other plug-in just only with the machine. So I put the connection, and I'm gonna be connecting, I'm gonna pass all these here, this like that, so imagine it's gonna be connected here, okay? So this one, the flow jet is a little pump which is suck the water, because the water tank can be under, so it's sucking the water. It's connected to this one. You can connect straight here, or if you want, you use the hose. So this one is connected. So when I put on, this pump is gonna start to work. This one is sending me a pressure inside, send me the water which is connected, and this one is giving water to this pump, and is how sending water to the system. But all this water to the system is going to the boiler, and the boiler is already with hot water. So all this pressure giving me this pump is how making me work the machine. So when this one is off, and that means stop to this machine, because this machine work only with pressure. When it's released, that this flow jet is going to work. When it's a stop, it's going to stop, because it's feeling the stop, so pressure is not going to continue. Okay, so this is how I have my grinder, my machine. All this is under, and you see that one in a van, in a trolley, in a bike. So anything you need. Remember, Fracino has distributor all over the world. You can find in New Zealand, you can find in Australia, you can find in Thailand, in Southeast of Asia is some others, also in Singapore. You can find us in Europe, South America, it's me, Brazil, and also I can help with Mexico. So just remember, I am Andres Carmona from Fracino, Chile. For the whole South America, I'm happy to help you, and easy communication, WhatsApp, send the email, comment the video. I'm gonna be connected to try to make your business work, and all the Fracino team for you is gonna be working and giving you all the best equipment around the world. Okay, bye bye guys.